Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the dual monitor stand riser with drawer and metal leg, a versatile and sturdy solution for your workspace. Crafted from high-quality MDF wood and solid steel legs, this monitor riser provides robust support with non-slip rubber pads to protect your desk. It features a large storage space with a sliding drawer and two side caddies, perfect for organizing personal items, office supplies, and files, making it an ideal desk organizer. The stand's adjustable length, ranging from 35.4 to 47.2 inches, and a flexible angle of plus or minus 90 degrees, cater to various office needs, ensuring an optimal viewing experience. Elevate your monitors to a comfortable eye level, approximately 5.1 inches, to relieve neck, shoulder, and back strain, enhancing both your ergonomic comfort and work efficiency. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 5 minutes with a few screws, allowing you to quickly enjoy a more organized and efficient workspace. Let this dual monitor stand be your perfect office partner, combining functionality with style for a clutter-free desk. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.